Well, now we're respected in society. We don't worry about the way that we used to be. We're talking heroin with the president. It's just a problem, sir, but it can't be better. Well, now you're respected in society. You don't worry about the way that you used to be. You're a rag trade girl, you're the queen of porn. You're the easiest lay on the White House lawn. Get out of my life, don't come back. You're so respectable, you're so respectable. You're so delectable, you're so respectable. Get out of my life, don't take my wife, don't come back. Get out of my life, don't take my wife, don't come back.